Hello teachers, if you want to change the section language, there is an option here. As usual, log into SATS, then student management. From there, you have to select admission details. There in admission details, you get an option called as language group medium and section update. Select that. For the present academic year, select the standard. For example, now I am changing the section of one child which is from 3rd standard. Select 3rd. Then update for whether you want to change the language group. Language group is what we select, EM, Hindi, all that. Now I am changing the section. So select the section. Then select English here, medium English. You can go for assigned and not assigned both. All. Go for search. Here the children are available. You can change your section. Type the child's name here. B. Samarth. He is in 3rd A, but he should be in 3rd D. Select 3rd D. But once you can do only 50 students, data will be updated. So one child I am just showing you. Select 3rd D. Click on submit. Students are updated successfully. This is how you will change the section, and language group means EM English. Sorry, if you want to change that, you can change over there. But teachers, those who have done mistake in section, you can do the correction by this method. Thank you.